Hello, and welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and appliances. This sleek and innovative device promises to bring the fizz right into your home with style and ease. Let's explore why this could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. First off, let's talk about design. The spoonlemon soda maker sports a modern stainless steel finish, not only adding a touch of elegance to your countertop but also ensuring durability. It's compact, measuring just 16.7 inches tall and 4.9 inches wide, making it suitable for any kitchen size. Using the spoonlemon is a breeze. With just 3 simple steps, fill, twist, and press, you can transform plain water into sparkling refreshment in seconds. No cords, no electricity needed. It operates solely on the power of CO2, which brings us to the next key feature. This soda maker is compatible with standard size screw and 60L Colorado II carbonators. It means you can enjoy up to 60 liters of sparkling water with just one cylinder, significantly reducing the need for single-use plastic bottles. It's not just convenient, it's eco-friendly too. Health-conscious consumers will appreciate the BPA-free PET bottle that comes with the spoonlemon. It holds 1 liter of your sparkling creation, complete with an airtight seal to preserve carbonation for longer. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in maintaining the freshness of your beverages. In conclusion, if you're looking to bring the joy of carbonated beverages into your home without compromising on style or functionality, the spoonlemon stainless steel soda maker is an excellent choice. Its stainless steel construction, eco-friendly operation, and ease of use make it a standout in the market. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply enjoying a drink after work, this soda maker delivers every time. That wraps up our review of the spoonlemon stainless steel soda maker. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing one for yourself, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.